How to use Robinhood offline. If you want to use Robinhood offline, first of all, we must understand the basics of this application. Right off the bat, if I have to tell you, then you cannot use Robinhood offline because it requires an internet connection to function, whether on the mobile app or web platform. Why? Because it is an active data application. So it has to fetch data from various sources for the crypto data that you have, for the stocks data, and each second by second, the price is always changing. The market is going up and down. And in order to get those, an offline version cannot be sufficable for this. So you need to have an online version where they can manage multiple data. And to use Robinhood, you need a stable internet connection to log in, view your account, place trades, and manage your investments. If you encounter issues, you can try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.